Welcome to TeamLab Planet's Tokyo, where you take off your shoes and step into a world that feels alive. Today, we're diving into art you just don't look at, you actually become part of. Our journey starts in a quiet, dim hallway. No shoes, no expectations, just you and your senses. From the moment you step in, the world outside disappears. As the water rises, so does the feeling that this is no ordinary exhibit. It is warm, peaceful, almost meditative. Every ripple you make becomes part of the artwork. This next space feels like walking on a cloud. Soft, unstable, playful. No two steps feel the same. You just have to trust your balance. Or not.
Hayaan nyo na, videohan kita.
Sige, binibidyo kita.
Unstable ka, Bes. Tingin ka. Jay.
Then comes the crystal universe, endless lights suspended in space. It's stars, galaxies, and dreams all at once. Every step changes the world around you, almost like you're controlling the universe.
Hindi ka clear. Shadow ka lang.
The moment I step inside, warm water rises around my feet. A gentle reminder to slow down. The space is quiet, dim, and almost still. So every step feels intentional, like the room is inviting you to be fully present. As I move, ripples spread across the surface, and suddenly, schools of projected fish appear beneath the water. They glide effortlessly, changing direction with each movement we make. Some swim away, others circle back, as if curious about us. It feels playful, almost magical, like we're sharing this space with living creatures. Here, nothing rushes. You become aware of your breathing, your balance, the sound of water shifting around you. It is simple but grounding. A moment to reset your senses before the journey unfolds. A calm beginning, quiet and unexpected, that slowly pulls you deeper into the experience. In the floating flower garden, time slows down. Fresh orchids hover above you, rising and falling as you move. You're surrounded by living, breathing art, so close you can smell it.
Punch them down.
Do not. Ikaw naman, ikaw talaga.
Just slide.
Hindi tayo na tayo na. TeamLab Planets isn't just a museum, it is a world that responds to your presence. You don't just see the art, you feel it, shape it, and walk through it. Inside these walls, time moved differently. Quiet, careful, intentional. Light followed your steps, and water listened as you passed. Even the flowers seemed to breathe with you. It wasn't just art, it was a reminder that stillness can speak, that wonder still exists, and that, sometimes, you have to lose your sense of direction to find a new way of seeing. I leave carrying more than memories. I leave with a softer heart, an open mind, and the quiet realization that the most beautiful places aren't always found on a map, but within the moments that change us. Until the next road trip, thank you for walking with me.